Hey everybody, Jeff here, and welcome back to the channel. Hey, we just have a few minutes. I want to breeze through this real quick, showing you some of the better deals here today on Home Depot's special buy of the day. Now, of course, as you know, they do these all the time. So you could sort of think of this as a, sort of a Cyber Monday deal. And these are, as you can see on the upper right over here, this is a timed savings deal. So these end at midnight. But as you've seen and many other people have found out this month, don't wait till the last minute, okay, to buy something. If you see something you want, you got to get it now, because these things they just disappear rapidly. I put up a miter saw deal the other day for you folks, and it was gone by time my video uploaded. That's how quick they disappeared. All right, so let's take a look at what we've got here first. Okay, so all you got to do to get to these tools, I'll put the direct link to it right down below in the video description. And as a disclosure, as we always have to tell you, is anytime we give you links to Amazon or Home Depot, we get a small commission if you buy any tools through those links. So we thank you so much, folks, for supporting our channel in that manner and using the links when we give them to you to buy your tools that way. And I'm hoping you'll, of course, do that here today as well. So I'll put that right down in the video description below for you. Okay, so we're going to start here, and I'm mainly concerned with deals that are at least 40% off, and if it's 50 or over, hey, even better, because the ones that are like 20 to 30% off, they're really kind of, they're iffy. So right here you have the M18. This is the 5-volt kit, $359. It says that it was $799, although I doubt it's ever been that high. Here you can get a surge kit. So this is an M12, and so it comes with a battery, charger, and a bag for $129, which is a pretty decent deal. Okay, so coming along over here, we have that 3/8" impact wrench kit for $129. Same type of deal with the battery and the charger. So across the board, you can see they've done it here with also the 3/8" ratchet. Now here, this one is a 3/8" impact wrench, and just to let you know, some people prefer to have a 1/2" because you have more power, more torque, and sometimes you might find yourself loosening some really tight nuts that need a lot of nut busting torque. So over here you can see we have the Milwaukee M12 3/8" ratchet. I have this one, and we did a tool review video on this about a month ago where we compared it to the Ryobi. And so this is $129, and it comes with also the battery, charger, and the kit and all that. So normally in the store, this is normally $149 tool only. Sometimes we see it drop to $129 tool only. So essentially what you're doing is you're just getting these free, which is still a pretty decent deal. All right, so now here we have the M18 brushless, cordless, 1/2" compact. And what's nice about this, let's take a look at this. I want to go in there and take a closer look. So to be able to score a kit like this with a battery and a charger and the drills are probably at least $20-30, depending on what model that is. But to get this whole thing here for $99 is a really, really good deal. Because people were asking me a few weeks ago, hey, if I'm a DIYer or I'm a homeowner, what's a good drill kit to start off with? And I was pointing them over to Lowe's, where they had that Dewalt $99 kit. And it didn't come with these drill bits, so this is an even better deal. If somebody asks me, and of course you only have till the end of today to take advantage, but yeah, this is one deal I would send them to in a heartbeat. Here's your 9 tool kits. There's a couple of different flavors of them here. One of them comes with, that looks like the 5-amp-hour battery. There's several flavors actually of this kit, so you can choose your poison. One comes with a free impact driver. Another one comes with a multi-tool, a couple of more batteries. I thought they had one with the jigsaw too, unless it's sold out already. Anyway, so yeah, these are pretty decent as well. Although, I'd like to see a little bit more savings off the price, because remember, a lot of these, they're giving you the flashlight. All right, so here's the lower end of the Makita deals. Where's their budget? Yeah, right here. This is normally their kind of lower priced impact and drill driver with the Sawzall. But then that's the 3-tool kit, that 3-piece combo. And again, they're offering several flavors where you can either choose a free grinder or a free circ saw, or a free, this to me is just a continuation of the Black Friday deal. Okay, now here though is a pretty decent one. This is, remember I told you want to be looking for your 1/2-inch impact wrench. That's what a lot of guys prefer. It has more power. And this is your deal right here because it's $269 and they're throwing in this battery. Okay, so they're giving you this 5 amp hour battery here. Yeah, so anyway, all of these sold out anyways. Now this is a deal that I really like, this one here, because first of all, look at the percentage they're taking off here. So you get a couple of Dewalt atomic deals. One of them is the atomic drill driver, and they're both brushless. And then you also have the impact. Normally these two Dewalt atomic tools are tool only $99. Now what they're throwing in here is the 5 amp hour battery. So to get this with that battery is a pretty good deal. Now I don't know if it comes with a charger. That's what I'm just not sure of, but you know, most of you probably have a charger already. And so just be careful about that. If you'd have zero exposure to Dewalt right now and you don't have a charger, you're going to have to go out and buy one, which is about $70 in the stores. So if you've already got a Dewalt charger, this would be a pretty decent deal for you. Now, just to see how much a 5 amp hour battery is going for right now, I believe they're on sale for $99 right now anyways. Let me see. Yeah, because you can get a pair of them for $159, and they're on sale for $99 right now just for the battery itself, right? And a couple of months ago, I was showing you on the shelf, they were $149. You can see right there. So, and we've seen them at $119 also, and now $99. So that's the value of that battery. So I can imagine some people wanting to do that, but why bother doing the hack? So I'm not so sure how well doing a hack on this is going to help you, because if you return the battery, they're probably only going to give you $45 for it. That would be my guess. Okay, so here's that other deal, the 9-tool kit, but it's sold out. See, the one that came with the free jigsaw. So a lot of these deals have already sold out, except for those atomics. Now, this was another deal a few people had asked me about today, if this is a good deal or not, and I think it probably is, yeah. And the reason why is, let's go take a look at the M12 rocket light on its own. It should be about $169. Yeah, see, you can see here the light is actually on sale on its own right now anyway, from $169 down to $129. See how it says right here, save $40. So when I was in the store the other day looking, these were sitting there at $169. Yeah, so basically what they're doing is that they're giving you this $80 battery for free. This is the XC 4.0, I'm assuming. Yes. And so the deal that we had over the summer when I bought mine was if you bought the 2 battery starter pack with 2 of these XC 4.0 batteries, you got to pick a tool for free, and so I chose this light free. So it was $169 for that 2 set of batteries there. Yeah, this is a decent deal. It could be better, I think. I would like to see it with the second battery. However, if it was with the second battery, you'd be paying $40 more for the overall for the kit. So it's kind of like, yeah, decent deal, not too bad. But let me just warn you that you're going to go through these batteries like crazy on this thing. You better have 3 of these batteries if you expect to last all day, because you're going to get 2 to 3 hours out of each battery. That's what stinks about these. So that's why I went and ordered that 246 kit. All right, let's see what else we got. Yeah, so same deals with the rest of the atomic tools. You're getting a 5 amp battery thrown in. And then this one's sold out. I knew this one would sell out in a heartbeat. So this here is the Milwaukee. This is their M18 7¼ inch dual bevel. And so this is $399. They had it, 35% off, and they were throwing in the free battery on this one, the cordless one. I don't believe this one will plug in. I'm not going to spend any time digging into this. You can do that on your own. I don't think this saw plugs into the wall, so that means you have to use it with batteries. So, yeah, this was a deal that I knew would sell out. What I'm holding out for, because I still need to buy, is the Dewalt small, the compact job site table saw. That's the Flex Volt one. That's the one I want to get, but they never lower the price on that one from $4.99. So anyway, I hope you found this video useful so far, and if you have, hey, would you do us a favor? Give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, all I can say is, man, why haven't you? You see here on our videos tab here all of the different videos we have for you in different categories You know, we cover all sorts of tool reviews where we do exhaustive drop testing of our items under test here to give you the best tool reviews out there. And we also give you all sorts of remodeling in your homes and your bathrooms and all of your kitchen remodeling and all sorts of tiling projects and flooring projects. And we show you how to get out of some really bad engineering disasters. And we have all sorts of construction tips for you as well. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure you click that subscribe button down below there. And when you do that, click the little gray bell icon next to it. That tells YouTube to alert you every time we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this week, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next one.